Hello, I'm back with another video. Another Nerf gun. XV700 Survival. And shoots. It has good accuracy. Just gonna good accuracy. In the comment section, say if you saw it. I lost I shot this. Shoots these rubber balls. And that's it. Bye.